To join Midjourney is really easy. All you need to do is go to midjourney.com and click on the join the beta or beta button here. And this will generate an invite to help you join its server. So we're going to click accept to go into its server. So here we are in Midjourney, and these are basically the highlights of a few members of the group. It may look a little bit overwhelming when you first look at it, but trust me, it does get easier. Now, on the left hand side is the bar that has most of the channels which you can go into. If you click on the, let's see, now we're going to go into the newbie section. I'm going to quickly show you how this thing works. So we have to go to this bar at the bottom, do a / and then type in the word imagine and then enter. At this point we add in our keyword or our key phrase. I'm going to add in my key phrase. So I'm going to put in eggs in a frying pan and I'm going to press enter. Now the thing about this channel, or the number of different channels that say newbies, is that you are literally sharing this channel with hundreds if not thousands of other people who are using Midjourney at the same time as you, and it could be really overwhelming. And the reason why is because you generate an image and you have to wait for a little bit for it to actually load. It can take up to 30 seconds to a minute to load, but during that time, as you can see, loads of other people have made their images and I'm having to scroll up to kind of find where my image is. There it is. Okay, there's my egg. So if I click on that, you can see that we have all 4 eggs. Now you're probably wondering, why is there 4? Don't worry about it. I'll explain that a little bit later. But for now, I just want you to see that it's very easy to get started. It is a little bit uncomfortable because you're in this channel at the moment, and I'm going to show you how to get out of this channel. But if you do need to come back and find your stuff, just click on the envelope here and then click on mentions and you should see all of your files here. And the great thing about this is that it has a jump button right next to it. If I click on it, it will jump right back to my image. Okay, so let's just try to find a way to get out of this, because this is too much. Like, look at this. Everybody else is making images and it becomes really hard to organize and keep abreast of what is actually going on. So what we're going to do in the next part of the tutorial is we're going to set up our own server and bring Midjourney into our server, so then we can do this privately, because this is an absolute mess. See you then.